This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening an elevated command prompt so commands can access profiles. Press Start, type CMD, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Once done, you need to confirm which Wi-Fi interface and profile you're targeting, so run netwlan show interfaces and read the SSID line. Make sure to copy the profile name exactly, spaces and capitalization matter, because the next command uses that profile string to display stored credentials. You now retrieve the stored key by running netwlan show profile name equals profile key equals clear, substituting the exact profile name you noted. This command queries the saved security settings and, if permitted, prints the key content value, which is the Wi-Fi password in plain text. If you don't see the profile, list all saved profiles with netwlan show profiles and then repeat. If key content is empty, the profile may be using enterprise authentication. Rather, you finish by confirming the password and closing the admin prompt. Copy the key content carefully or write it down. If you get access denied, make sure you launched command prompt as administrator or try elevated PowerShell. Limited accounts can't view saved keys. Also be aware that enterprise WPA2 enterprise networks don't store a simple shared key, so key content can be blank. Finally, if profile names include spaces, use quotes around the name to avoid syntax errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.